Hi, this is Ben Peroisich with RE/MAX Above and Beyond, and welcome to your Real Estate Market Minute. Wow, what a difference a week makes. 30-year mortgage rates are at 6.28%. A week ago, they were like 5.5, 5.7%. That is a huge move for 1 week. And in fact, if you look back to my January video, I think I was predicting there that mortgage rates would go up to 5.5% by the end of the year, and we've already blown past that. This is starting to have an effect on a national level. If you look at the data, new home sales are down 16.6% in April, which is the most recent month that we have data for. 16.6% is a big decline. And then if you look at existing U.S. home sales, they fell 2.5% in April, and they're down 5.9% from last year. So that's also pretty significant, as rates have been going up all year, but they really spiked in the past week or so. What I find really interesting is a couple of big national real estate brokerages are laying off people. Compass Realty, which doesn't really operate in Ohio to my knowledge, is laying off 10% of their workforce. And Redfin Realty, which does operate in our area, is laying off 8% of their workforce. So they're obviously looking at what's happening in some of these markets nationally, and they're getting concerned and laying people off. But what is happening right here in our neck of the woods right now? And it's very interesting. So I always like to look to the charts, and I really like this chart, the list price and the days on the market. You could take a look at days on the market, which is the green line. You see that it's moving down, and that's exactly what you want to see, because that is showing that the days on the market are decreasing, and they're steadily decreasing from January through June, which means that the market is getting faster and faster. We're selling homes faster and faster. It's not really a sign of decline. And if you look at the list price, the blue line, it is meandering up and to the right. So it is steadily going up from January to June. Again, that's really not indicative of a slowdown. The next chart I have for you is the close price to list price ratio, which tells you, what percentage of list price are you getting for a sold home. And right now it's sitting at over 100%, and if you look at the trend, you can see that it's generally moving up all year, and it's still moving up here in June, and we're selling homes for over 100% of asking, which means we're getting into bidding wars on average quite a bit. Again, not indicative of a slowdown. So let's look at the granddaddy of all charts when we're trying to see if the market is slowing down, and that is sales price. Is sale price going down? No. Price continues to march higher. Sales price is relentlessly up and to the right in our market. So again, we're not seeing a slowdown in any of the data. But we can read and we can see what other markets are experiencing, and it is like watching a storm roll in. You look out on the horizon, you see the dark clouds coming, and eventually they're going to reach here. And I think that our market is holding up so well because Cleveland is so affordable compared to other parts of the country that we're not really having an affordability crisis yet. But as interest rates continue to go higher, these homes are going to get more and more expensive on a monthly basis to own, and you are going to see the market slow down. So if you're thinking about making a move, selling your home, you have to think about doing it now, because I think in 3 to 6 months, and I'll be updating you regularly, this market is going to change. This market's going to slow down. And that's your real estate market in a minute. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.